Hello everyone, I'm here to show you my lesson 7 ETL project here. I started with my initial stats and I extracted it and loaded it into the extract table. Then I did a transform. Here I cleared the tables, and then in here is my transform. And as you can see, is the extract table, the source. I did an order by in the aggregate, and then I sorted it by the attack. The initial, this just counts the row count, and then I split by the attack, and I made it less than 20, equal to 20, and then greater than 20. So I had 3 different tables that I just wanted, if you can put in a number and, it doesn't have to be 20, but I chose 20, and figure out like which Pokemons are, which Pokemons, are you looking for? You want something with more attack, and which ones are, above a certain amount. So, it was kind of cool to see that. So, and over here, and then I just loaded them into the load tables. And we can run this package so you can see it at work. There you go, it's stepping through there. It's doing the transform, taking a little longer. A few more steps, and now it's loading them to the table. And as you can see in here, everything stepped through perfectly. And now we will go and check our tables. Execute. And here's the equals 20. All these equal 20. One thing I would have liked to do is put a name to it. I should have did that. And these are the ones greater than 20. So, and then I created we create a stored procedure to do the exact same thing, and we can take a look at this before we run it. This actually has 3 other stored procedures. I just put them all in one for it all to run at the same time, and it's just the 3 different tables. I just split it, so I just ran 3 different, pretty much the same stored procedure, just changed the clause. And we'll run that right here. And that completed successfully. We'll go back to our tables, we'll run that, execute, and we get the same results. There you go. And there's the other one.